Okay, I'll just do a flow through, a go through video. This is the first 1, 2, see, 2 sets, 2 in front. But here on this side we have 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Yeah, 5, 6, 6. So 6 on the right, 6 on the 6 on the other side, making a dozen. So the dozen has its own chamber. All the water comes in here, and then with all the waste, solid and liquid, and then it now goes under to pass through maze of materials that will catch the solid waste. So that because the solid waste, if it blocks the chamber up, the bacteria is not going to catch the urine, the liquid waste, which is more important. Those things that smell like ammonia when you're in a public toilet. So to prevent the bacteria from being trapped or being disturbed by mud and waste, so the waste are trapped there, right? And then from here, the water now goes down. Let me show you where it goes. You can see our folks down there. This is a real big facility. Can you see? I'm trying to zoom. So let's back to what we're saying. Now, the whole water now, after it's been sedimented, it now goes down where a pump, because the one up, this one up, and the one down, they're sharing the same, water reservoir, right? For wastewater that doesn't have solid waste. Now, before the pump now pumps it up into the chamber for liquid waste eradication. Then after that, it will now pass through this section. Can you see the pipe? Water now that is, free from ammonia, free from hydrogen sulfide, free from carbon dioxide, goes down to the ponds again. So there is no need to change water too regularly. With that, there's no need to change water. So a pond that should take about 1,200 fishes can actually take 3,000 plus to 4,000. And that's the advantage of doing this kind of thing. But the starting cost is really heavy. Just like repair cost too will be really heavy, but then the income too will be heavy eventually, once this can be sorted out. Now, what I said we will do eventually is to go ahead and run a submerged biofiltration unit here where we have the water reservoir, so that bacteria immersed in water will have done a good job of the liquid waste before coming up. So we have a twin opportunity now, because water is really scarce here to a large extent. So once we have a double whammy, that's what we'll call it, both submerged bacteria for effectiveness, and then airborne bacteria. And again, misty water, moist. They need moisture, right? They are more efficient. So effectiveness with efficiency equals to perfection, right? So good to go. That's what we plan for this place. So this is the module on its own, and then there's another corresponding module on the left. On my left here, same scenario. Can you see? Though this has been cannibalized, the frame of the chambers. What we'll do, we're going to get the estimates. That's what we're here to do with the welder, to see what we can do about this. So the same productivity we have on this side. So can you see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. What they call this B series. Okay? So everybody uses the same sedimentation twined together, the same sump, and then the same biotower. Of course, we introduce a common inverse flow submerged filter too. Fantastic. So that sorts this. So today we're coming. So there's a step up a little bit here for us to come up. You can see the difference now. We got 12 on my left there, 12 on my right, and we have equivalent downstairs. So that's what the biotower is serving. So it's not just huge for nothing. because you need a biotower that's almost about the same surface area as the area that is being catered for, to actually help the biological load generated by the fish when they're about to be sold. That's the carrying capacity. The ammonia bioload at about the max carrying capacity of the fish based on the target market. So I hope I'm simple enough with what I'm saying. So same thing is done here. A second set on this side. You can see the first side. Now we have a second set. As we ascend up a little bit, guys are taking measurements. So I don't think I need to repeat myself. So we'll go downstairs and see all we can do to make it happen. First of all, replace the cannibalized pipes. I think that's part of the thing, so that people don't just fall down anyhow. It's really sad enough, but we'll get it all sorted and done. And this place will be one of the best fish farms, in fact, if not the best in Africa. That's the opera. Then of course they have, we'll talk about the eating pond that they have on this side, on the right hand side, and then on the left hand side after this time out, because we're going to resuscitate it too. The challenge they have, I'll mention in the video. You can see the fence of the compound over there.